In this video, I'm going to show you how I would use the ruler tool in order to measure potential moves. So, first of all, we need to have our chart open in TradingView and then clicking on the ruler icon on the toolbar at the left of our screen. Once then, I would left click on a point on my chart and then I would drag it to the point where I would like to measure. Now, this can be used in a variety of ways. One, let's say we don't know exactly what to measure. Let's see at this price action here. We could add in a sideways moving channel, and then we could measure that channel and see where we could anticipate the price it could go towards. So we're going to be adding in our sideways moving channel by clicking on the trend lines. This is a parallel channel. You can see I'm drawing a line, extending it, and then I'm taking my ruler tool and I want to measure the distance within this chart. So this distance can show me that it was 42 bars and this lasted for 8 days and 17 hours, which means that it was quite significant. Thus, the breakout below could continue for quite some time. So essentially, the ruler tool just gives us some more information for the graph and can help us see how interesting and how significant a move could be. So breakouts that take longer time to form may be more significant. As you can see, once this broke below, it moved significantly lower. So essentially, the ruler could help us gain some more info.